everyone, I'm back again with another set of books which I recommend to everyone, okay, kids as well as adults. So, today I'm going to talk about an author, a very famous and celebrated children's author, and the name of the author is Dr. Seuss. It's written CS, but we speak it as Dr. Seuss. The first book which I'm going to recommend to you is this one. You can always start with The Cat in the Hat. It has very short words, high frequency words used a lot of times, which will give kids a lot of practice and they'll recognize the words quickly. Okay. Now, the three major books for which I made this video and which are really close to my heart, and I've learned a lot from them. Time and again, I open these books and I go through these. I love reading them at a loud voice and with lots of rhyming. So let's start. The first book which I read was in my Teach for India fellowship, which is Oh, the Places You'll Go. This is a beautiful book which tells you to take action every day and to make you feel that on earth people are so different. There are so many people who are waiting for their things, but what makes you different is to take action and move on. So definitely read this book if you're stuck somewhere or if you are working towards your goals and you feel that and you have to get that motivation. Read this. This is for you. Let's take the second one. This is about environment, The Lorax. There is a movie as well on this book, and it's a beautiful movie where there is an eco warrior, this man, and he tries to bring back the environment and bring back the trees at a place. So go through this, or you can also watch the movie with your kids. The next one is Mac Elligott's Spool. This again tells you of abundance in the universe. The universe is full of abundance. You just need to be patient and keep on working for what you want, and you will get what you want. There is no dearth of things. There is no dearth of resources. Everybody has their share, and you will get it if you are working hard for it. So definitely make it a point to get some books of Dr. Seuss in your library and keep them close to you. They will always give you guidance wherever you are stuck. All the very best. Take care.